Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Meet recording automation with Drive folders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Google Meet recording automation with Drive folders, start by opening your Google Drive. Next, create a new folder where you want your recordings to be saved. Name this folder something easily identifiable, like Meet Recordings. Now, open Google, schedule a new meeting or start an instant meeting. Once in the meeting, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Record Meeting. Confirm the recording when prompted. After the meeting ends, the recording will automatically save. Go back to your Google Drive and open the folder you created. You should see the recording file within this folder. To enable automation, you'll need to set permissions for the folder. Right-click on the folder and select Share. Add people or groups who need access to these recordings. Ensure they have at least viewer access. Now, return to your Google Meet. Click on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Under Recording, confirm that recordings saved to the correct Drive folder. Enable the option for automatic recordings if available. Test the setup by joining another meeting and recording it. Once the meeting ends, check your Drive folder again. You should see the new recording appear automatically. With these steps, you've successfully set up Google Meet recording automation with Drive folders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.